Hi guys, in this video we talk about the Vivo IQ12 Pro versus ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra. The Vivo IQ12 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800 and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $800. The dimension is same and the weight of these devices, the Vivo IQ12 have 210 grams and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 246 grams. And the build of these devices, the Vivo IQ12 front and back glass and titanium and aluminium frame, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM support. The display, the Vivo IQ12 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color display and the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with AMOLED 1 billion color. And the screen size of these devices is same. The Vivo IQ12 come with 1440 by 3200 pixel mean 2K resolution and the Nubia Z60 Ultra 1160 by 2480 pixels. The PPI density of Vivo IQ12 have 580 and the Nubia Z60 Ultra have 400. The refresh rate of these devices, the Vivo IQ12 come with 144Hz refresh rate and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 120Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio is mostly same. The protection of these devices, the Vivo IQ12 and Nubia Z60 Ultra come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The screen brightness, the Vivo IQ12 come with 3000 nits peak brightness and the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 1500 nits peak. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Vivo IQ12 come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto. It's record 8K 30fps video. And the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel telephoto periscope. It's also record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the Vivo IQ12 come with 16 megapixel selfie camera and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with under display 16 megapixel selfie camera. The platform, the Vivo IQ12 come with octa-core Cortex X4 and the same ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with octa-core Cortex X4 and the chipset. The both devices come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of these devices, the Vivo IQ12 Pro and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with Adreno 750 GPU. It's also come with Android 14 OS. The memory of these devices, the Vivo IQ12 come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM. And the internal storage of these devices, the both devices have 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of storage. No SD card supported in these devices. The battery of these devices, the Vivo IQ12 come with 5100 mAh battery and the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 6000 mAh battery. The Vivo IQ12 come with 120 watt fast charging and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 80 watt fast charging. The Vivo IQ12 come with 50 watt wireless charging and Nubia Z60 Ultra have not available any wireless charging. It's also come with 5G network. And the common and the feature of these devices is same. The result of these devices, the Vivo IQ12 got 25 points and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra got 21 points.